Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking filters and blocked addresses because incorrect rules send mail to spam. Remove any that match wanted senders. Next, enable inbox categories and keep primary visible so messages aren't auto-hidden. Then, pick 5 to 10 recent legitimate messages in spam and use report not spam. This trains Gmail's model. Once done, pause to watch incoming mail for the next 24-48 hours and make small adjustments to filters if legitimate mail still lands in spam. Now focus on advanced filters. Create rules matching from addresses, subject keywords, or specific headers and check never send it to spam. This forces delivery to inbox and can add a label for visual priority. Also set forwarding or VIP rules for critical addresses so they bypass bulk handling. You can combine labels with archive to declutter. Finally, audit any third-party apps or SMTP services sending mail for you. Misconfigured senders often trigger spam filters. Update SBF/DKIM if you control the domain. Finish by testing. Send new messages from corrected senders and monitor placement for about 7 days to ensure changes hold. If mail still hits spam, verify SBF, DKIM, and DMARC records for the sender domain or ask the sender to fix their authentication. This is why filters fail. Make sure your own Gmail client isn't causing the issue. Clear cache, disable extensions, or test in the mobile app. If nothing helps, escalate by contacting Google support with specific message headers for diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.